It's day 5 of our self-isolation. So we took the scooters out to go scope out the neighborhood. We heard that the barrier island is blocked off to non-residents, meaning that side of the intercoastal. And all the bridges have cops in front of them blocking everybody off. So just wanted to come check it out.
Alright guys, this is getting kind of crazy now. The city of Hollywood has got the Barrier Island blocked off completely. So basically to keep all the spring breakers out, I believe. So they're stopping everyone right over here and turning people around if you don't belong here. Jet skier out there, a couple of them. Got a little kayaker down here. Eerie calm.
It's the best way to stay away from people.
A lot of people fishing, catching dinner. And that right there, if you didn't know, is the Flight of the Navigator house. A big spaceship landed right here. And the kid got out.
When the 80s?
Back in the 80s.
That was my favorite movie when I was a kid.
And believe it or not, the stairway to the roof is still there.
Wow.
Let's go explore a little bit.
So we just got on to A1A, and it looks like this liquor store has someone at the door, only allowing a certain amount of people to go in at a time. It looks like some spring break holdovers. Why don't they just go home?
We normally anchor our little boat, Luna, the Catalina 22, right here. What do you think?
I think I wish I were self-isolating on that catamaran right there.
Yeah.
Man, it's really weird to see how dead this place is. Like everything's blocked off. We're not allowed anywhere. Nobody's allowed to go or do anything. I mean, I'm not making light of the situation because obviously the virus thing is bad and we don't want to spread it. And we're obviously keeping our distance from people. Oh shoot, there I go, scratching my face.
But you didn't touch it.
Yeah, but I mean, is it a bit excessive? Are these measures excessive or are they proactive? I know I keep saying stay the hell home. I mean, obviously we're staying
That means
home.
going out to the bars,
Yeah.
restaurants, touching everything.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, we have isolated ourselves significantly, but to not be able to walk on the beach, yeah.
Bunch of cruise ships anchored right off Fort Lauderdale.
Boardwalk is closed, guys.
Okay, we're
We
residents.
live here. There's a ton of people on the boardwalk, but the park rangers coming around making sure everybody knows it's closed. So let's get out of here. This is so crazy. There's usually a concert held here every night, and it's packed. It's so weird.
Alright, I think we've seen enough. Time to head home. I got a ice cold beer with my name on it.
Bye.